Tyler go to timeout?
Yeah.
Did William go to timeout?
Nope.
Yeah. Did Sophie go to timeout?
Nope.
No?
William.
William. Well, what did he do? Why did he go to timeout?
Hit.
He hit somebody?
Yeah.
Who
Me.
He hit you?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
He got in trouble?
Stop and time out.
He went in timeout. But did you hit him?
That's hurt.
Yeah.
That's like sorry.
Yeah. Because we don't hit our friends, right?
Nope. When you be nice.
Yeah, that's right. We'd be nice. And he was sorry. That's good he was sorry. I hope it didn't hurt too much.
That's too much.
What about Tyler?
William.
William?
Where did this one go?